What's up, guys? Let's talk about batteries. The cheap ones, the corrosion, the stuff you see in your nightmares, brother. We're gonna revert all the way back to the lead acid batteries. And those, because they use a liquid, and let me show you, I don't have an example of the crap batteries, but the plastic and the metal, there's a bushing, and whenever you're asking a lot of those lead acid batteries, the bushing can fail and you escape gases out of the battery, and it makes a lot of corrosion on the positive and possibly the negative, but the positive is one of the culprits there that gets corroded faster, especially if you're charging it with a higher voltage than it's normally used to. What I love about AGM is I can go pretty maintenance free when it comes to the corrosion. This hasn't been touched, just had the charging clamps on it, but other than that, no corrosion on any batteries. And then you go over here and look, hasn't been one bit of maintenance on these battery terminals, and I don't know how long. No polishing, no cleaning, no nothing, and we don't have any battery corrosion anywhere. And there's 2 alternators charging these batteries. There was a post yesterday on Banginbros Full Life, and it showed a corroded battery, and I asked, what would you do, step-by-step process to fix this? Now, I like to use soda and a wire brush to clean up any batteries, but soda leaves a sticky residue. So I had totally forgot that you can also use boiling water to clean off all that battery corrosion, and you might not even need the wire brush at that point. But there are some instances where it's gone a little too far and the lead is corroded pretty nasty, and it might be good for just to refinish the battery terminal if it's one of them cheap battery terminals. I know y'all saw on those that there's no cheap battery terminals there. Those are from Jim Machine Works or Down for Sound, which are the same things. So it's not, you don't have an example of a cheap battery terminal, but I would use sandpaper to kind of refinish what's already been really messed up. But yeah, boiling water, wire brush, soda, and it just takes 2 seconds, you know, but that's how you clean up. You don't want a rough battery connection, because then obviously your car's not getting the connection. But anyway, that was just a little tech tip and a little talk about batteries. Make sure you use AGM or higher batteries, and my favorite battery is excess power batteries. That's what I'm running there. In both trucks, I got a super cap in that truck and AGM all in that truck, so they run fantastic. My place to get them, downforsoundshop.com. Always get my batteries at downforsoundshop.com, and excess power is the brand I love. Y'all have a great day, and catch you on the next one. Bruh, I see you watched the whole thing. I appreciate you, dog. From me to you, I appreciate you. I appreciate you for double tapping. I appreciate you for leaving a comment. I love you guys, man. Mwah.